So here's how we can copy files from the Pendrive to the iPad. So no matter what type of external disk or drive you have, you need to figure out the connection to the iPad. The iPad either has the Lightning or USB-C port, but yeah, you might need to use a dongle or some kind of like cable or something, but you need to connect it to the iPad. Once you do, you need to check out if it's been recognized properly. You can do this by opening up the Files app like that and checking out the locations. And if there is the pen drive or external drive location there, then you know that it is properly connected. Then what you can do is to open it up right here within the Files app, select the files, photos, whatever it might be, and then copy or move them to a location which is locally part of your iPad. So you can click on the On My iPad and paste all of the things right there. So that's how you can copy or get the files from an external drive or any kind to your local storage of your iPad. And again, since we are using the Files app, it can be anything. It might be a video, photo, PDF, whatever. So it's pretty simple in the essence. You just have to make sure, as I said, to figure out the connection properly. But that's it from me. Let me know in the comments if it worked. This has been Lucas from Foxtecc, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next tutorials.